In the video tutorial Advance, Add Custom Catalogs and Geoservers, we will explain you how to add custom catalogs and geoservers to a map. We have two options to add a new data layer from a custom catalog or geoserver to our map. In our demonstration I zoomed into our map into East Africa. Select a layer group in which you want to add the data layer from a custom catalog or geoserver. Make sure the layer group is selected, click on the name of the layer group. On the command icon menu click on the second icon, Add Layer. Select the last menu item, Add Layer from Web Address. You might receive references to data layers from partner organizations or hosting providers. A window will open which allows you to enter a web address which references to the A-layer data. In our demonstration I have prepared a web URL to demonstrate the function. To select the complete text string I use a keyboard shortcut, Ctrl plus the key A. To copy the text I use another shortcut, Ctrl plus the key C. In our demonstration we add a data layer which was provided by our partner Vortex in Spain. The data is hosted by Master Institute. You can add the newly released 9 km wide map for East Africa. Click with the mouse into the text input field, press Ctrl, and the key V, to paste the copy text into the text field. Once the text entered click Add to Map. The data layer will be loaded and display on your current map. Let us quickly modify the displayed data layer. The second option to add data layer from a custom catalog or geoserver is to use the action menu on the data layer group. Click on the name of the data layer group with the right mouse key to receive the menu, or use the small arrow icon on the right side to the name. Click on Add Layer. The menu point Add Layer from Web Address will open the same window as before. The system comes with pre-populated connections to various data layer sources called catalogs. Adding another geoserver, also called catalog, enables you to display in one single map various data layers for different catalog sources. For adding our new geoserver we go to our command menu, Add Layer. We select the menu item, Open Data Browser. The Add Map Data window opens. Select the second tab on top of the window Browse Data Sources. In our sample you can see a list of 3 predefined data catalog sources, Base Layers, GlobalAtlas Catalog hosted by Minds Paris Tech and Master Web Map Services. On top you can find action icons to add a data source, edit a selected data source or delete a selected data source. Click on Add Data Source. A window will open to define the connection parameters for the data catalog. First you need to give the data catalog a name. Next we need to enter a web URL for the new data catalog server. In the final step we can define the type of data catalog service which we want to add by selecting the correct radio button. In case you do not know which kind of service the data catalog is offering, leave the default values. When finished we can save by clicking on the button, Save. You can see our new data catalog was added to our list. Click on the name of the data catalog to retrieve the list of data layers. Let's select one of the entries and add it to our map. As you can see the data layer gets displayed directly in our map. You may also have recognized that the data layer was not created in a data layer group, since we did not select a data layer group before. The data catalog adds it on top of the layer tree. Here is a quick summary to the how to add custom catalogs and geoservers. This finalizes the tutorial Advance, Add Custom Catalogs and Geoservers.